Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will help fix error code 40XFFF0B2C in Rainbow Six Siege. First, try restarting your game and the platform you are playing on. This simple step often resolves temporary glitches. Next, ensure your internet connection is stable and strong. A weak or intermittent connection is a common culprit. Finally, verify the integrity of your game files through your game launcher to repair any corrupted data. These initial steps are quick and frequently effective. If the initial steps don't work, let's dive into network solutions. Begin by power cycling your router and modem. Unplug them for at least 30 seconds before plugging them back in. This refreshes your network. Consider using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi, as it provides a more stable link. Also, check that your NAT type is open or moderate for optimal game connectivity, as a strict NAT can cause issues. Moving on to software and system checks. First, disable any active VPN or proxy services you might be using, as they can interfere with game connections. Temporarily turn off your firewall and antivirus software to see if they are blocking the game's communication. Remember to re-enable them afterward. Lastly, ensure your network drivers are updated to their latest versions. Outdated drivers can lead to connectivity problems and error codes. For persistent issues, consider more advanced steps. As a last resort, completely reinstalling the game can resolve deep-seated file corruption or installation problems. If the error continues, contact Ubisoft support directly. Provide them with the specific error code, 40XFFF0B2C, and a detailed list of all the troubleshooting steps you have already attempted. Include information about your system and network setup for faster assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.